Good morning, student. Today we are going to start carbon and its oxide. It is your new chapter, so it is a very important and it is the last chapter also. So first we will talk about carbon. What is carbon? We know that C stands for carbon. Its atomic number is what? 6. And atomic mass is what? 12. And whenever carbon react with oxygen, it forms two things, either carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. And you know that carbon dioxide is not very poisonous. But carbon monoxide is a very poisonous and it is very harmful for our health. So please be careful, and carbon monoxide is produced by the incomplete combustion of fuel or in the limited amount of oxygen is supplied during the burning. Carbon monoxide is formed. And it is a very harmful. So we'll talk about the carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Before coming to the preparation, it's the physical property. First, we have to know that who discovered it. The first carbon dioxide, it was discovered by Van Helmont. You can see the figure. At 1630 by the burning of charcoal, and he named it carbonium. And then Joseph Black prepared carbon dioxide by the reaction of sulfuric acid with the carbonate. Who? Joseph Black. In 1775, and he named it fixed air. And after that, Anthony Lavoisier determined the composition of carbon dioxide in 1783, and he named it acid carbonic. And after some time, it is named as a carbon dioxide. So it is a history. Who discovered, then who named it, and how we get the final name as a carbon dioxide. So now, first we talk about the preparation of carbon dioxide. We can prepare the carbon dioxide in many ways. There are lots of reactions, especially burning. In all burning process, you will get the carbon dioxide mostly. Even inside the body, during respiration, we producing carbon dioxide. In the plant, during daytime, during respiration, they are producing carbon dioxide. So first we will talk about the preparation of carbon dioxide. The first method, burning of coal or carbon. Burning of coal or carbon. The burning of coal and carbon in the presence of oxygen form carbon dioxide, like carbon react with oxygen, we get carbon dioxide. Similarly, when CH4, and we know that it is example of hydrocarbon, because it is made up of only carbon and hydrogen. And when carbon hydrocarbon burn in the presence of oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and water molecule. You can balance it. Here 4 hydrogens there, here only 2. By applying 2, you will get the 4 hydrogen, and how many oxygens are there? 2 and 2, 4. By putting 2, you will get the balance equation. So in both cases, both reactions, we are getting what? Carbon dioxide. So it is the first process by which we can prepare carbon dioxide. Second method is that we can prepare reaction between acid plus carbonate. When acid react with carbonate, form carbon dioxide. I am going to give you example. First example, you can see that. Suppose HCl react with calcium carbonate, we get CaCl2. Similarly, we get the water molecule and CO2. Just balance. 2 chlorine is there, here only 1. Put 2 here. I think we will get the balance equation. And in this case, when acid react with carbonate, what we are getting? We are getting water molecule, calcium chloride and carbon dioxide. This is the evolution of gas. So by this way, we can also prepare the carbon dioxide. I want to give some more example. Just see. Suppose H2SO4 react with magnesium carbonate. What we will get? We will get magnesium sulfate plus H2O molecule, and finally we will get the carbon dioxide. So we can prepare the carbon dioxide by second method, reaction between the acid and carbonate. Any carbonate, metal carbonate, calcium carbonate. Actually, HC will be there, CaCO3, and here magnesium carbonate. Similarly, when second reaction, I want to make you understand that second reaction, I can start writing when metal acid, suppose I am taking HCl again, react with metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate, NaHCO3. It is example of sodium bicarbonate. HCl react with sodium bicarbonate, will get NaCl, H2O and plus carbon dioxide. So by this way we are getting carbon dioxide. So we have discussed two methods, the burning of coal or carbon or hydrocarbon, and second method, the reaction between the acid with carbonate or acid with bicarbonate. Here I am taken sodium bicarbonate. What is the name is that? NaHCO3. You can say sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. We can also take some more example. Wait. HCl react with magnesium bicarbonate. What we will get is a formula of magnesium bicarbonate. Why I am writing? Because we know that the valency of magnesium is what? +2, and the valency of bicarbonate is a -1. By cross multiplying, we will get Mg and HCO3 whole twice. That's why I am written here. And then finally we will get MgCl2 H2O and CO2, and you can balance it. How many chlorines are there? 2. Here only 1. By putting 2, just count it. How many carbon is there? 2. Because whole twice, just putting 2. Then we will get the how many hydrogen? 2 and 2, 4. By putting 2, we will get the valence equation. And in this case, we are also getting the carbon dioxide. So we have discussed the preparation of carbon dioxide by the burning of coal and by burning of hydrocarbon, and reaction between acid with carbonate and reaction of acid with metal bicarbonate. By this method we can prepare the carbon dioxide. So we have discussed how carbon dioxide is prepared from metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate reacting between the metal bicarbonate and with the acid. Suppose again I want to give some more example. Suppose I will take NaHCO3. Its name is that sodium bicarbonate. And once sodium bicarbonate react with what? CS3COOH. Its name is that acetic acid. What will form? We will get salt CS3COONA. Its name is that sodium acetate, and we will get water, and then we will get the carbon dioxide. In this way we can prepare the carbon dioxide reaction between the carbonate or bicarbonate with the acid. Also I have given you 2 and 3 examples, reaction between the carbonate and acid. So by this way we can prepare. Third method is that third method heating of carbonate. Heating of carbonate. Suppose we take the calcium carbonate, and on heating it will be decomposed. Calcium carbonate can be decomposed on heating into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So by this method also we can prepare the carbon dioxide on heating carbonate. This is an example for the preparation of carbon dioxide on heating calcium carbonate. It will decompose into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So these 3 processes already we have discussed how to prepare the carbon dioxide. Now it is the most important laboratory method. It is a very important method in which how we will prepare the carbon dioxide. So here simple, we'll take the bottle. It is called wolf bottle. It is called wolf bottle because it has two mouths. And both mouths is fitted with the cork so that gas cannot evolve through it. Through the one mouth, we fix the thistle funnel. It is called thistle funnel. It is called thistle funnel, like this, and we'll take some marble, and we know that marble is made up of what? Calcium carbonate, and we put the some acid. What acid will take? H2SO4. When acid will pour down, it is just acid reached. It is reached inside the bottle. It will react with the calcium carbonate and then start forming what? When calcium carbonate react with H2SO4, what will get? CaSO4, water molecule and carbon dioxide gas will get. So this carbon dioxide gas is collected by the tube, glass tube, bent glass tube like this, and this tube must be inserted like this, must be bent and inserted in a gas jar. Gas jar. We know that we'll get the what molecule? Carbon dioxide. We know that carbon dioxide is heavier than air. That's why it can be collected into the gas jar. So by this experiment, we'll take the wool bottle. One mouth, it is fitted with the thistle funnel, and other mouth, one glass tube, bent glass tube must be inserted, and that glass tube passes from the one mouth to the one gas jar. And when we pour the sulfuric acid through the thistle funnel, when it goes inside the bottle, it will react with the calcium carbonate, and what form? Calcium sulfate, water molecule and carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide is collected into the gas jar. So it is a laboratory method, and this experiment and activity is given in your book. It is a very important. Just see that how you will prepare the carbon dioxide in your laboratory. So we have discussed the preparation of carbon dioxide by 2 and 3 and 4 methods. Now we can see that our atmosphere contains different types of gases. You can see in figure 78% is a nitrogen, 21% is oxygen, and 0.03% is the carbon dioxide, and remaining percentage is the different gases. So 0.03% is a carbon dioxide, and it is a very important. Now we'll talk about the physical property. It is a colorless and smellless gas. It can be liquefied by applying high pressure, and further we maintain the temperature at minus 78 degrees Celsius. What? At minus 78 degrees Celsius, then liquid carbon dioxide will be turned into the solid form, that is called dry ice. And some few physical properties. It is easily soluble in water. And what happens when you dissolve in water? When carbon dioxide dissolve in water, what form? H2CO3, means its name is that carbonic acid. And you know that carbonic acid is acidic in nature. When we put the blue litmus, it turns to red. Means the nature of carbon dioxide is acidic. And already we have discussed any non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. And we will get the carbonic acid when it is dissolved in water. So these are the physical properties of carbon dioxide. In next lecture, we will talk about some other properties and some other topics. Till then, thank you and have a nice day, my dear student.